I'm going to start with something without wasting your time. I know many people don't like to stay online, but if it is something that is profitable, I'm gonna teach you how to make money online. Actually, guys are making money online. People are making money online. Young guys, YouTube bloggers, I don't know, many people that are just making money online, and the opportunity is right here before our eyes, but we cannot see it, guys. Look, we cannot see it, but the opportunity is there. The opportunity is there. Anyway, without not wasting much of your time, look at something. Look at these videos that they are on this YouTube channel. It's just random. I just had to search a random search, military might, something like that. You can just search anything, you blow up a good number of different types of videos. I don't know, according to your choice. But let me tell you something. This is a secret that many people don't know. And do you know, anytime that you click on a video watching, you are giving money to somebody else? I guess you don't know that, but now I'm telling you. Anytime you click on a video on YouTube or Facebook or whatsoever, you are just giving money to somebody else. But what are you doing? You are giving money to somebody else, you are wasting your data, and then you yourself, you don't get money, but you are giving money to another person. Oh, ask me how. Anyway, I'm going to put a link below on the description on how you're going to see other ways of making money. But nevertheless, just from looking at this video here, guys, just look at this video. Actually, the name is War Military Power. It's somebody's YouTube channel. This guy is not even related to a military person or military personnel, or maybe in a military corps. No, this is just a YouTube blogger, like somebody that sits behind a computer like myself and try to do some few video editing, and boom, just put it online. And if you check very well, you see the number of likes. So yeah, this number of likes are so crazy. They are just so crazy. In the space of 1 hour, just look at something. In the space of 1 hour, this person have 291 view. Can you imagine? Take a look at this other one. 2 years, 5,000,002 megabyte view, or what do they even say? Yes, 5,200,000 view. You see, look at this other view. Look at this one. You see, 103k view. So these things are amazing. People are making money online. How do they do it? These videos, take note, these videos, these military videos, pictures of military, these things are just addition of pictures, addition. And you know very well that when you post a picture or a video on YouTube, when the likes will hit a certain number of when the video hits a certain number of like, YouTube begin to pay you. They begin to run ads on your YouTube video, and they begin to pay you. They'll contact you, they'll email you and say, okay, your video have reached a certain number and this is the package. So this is what we are missing. These guys are paying a lot of money, a lot. If you are strong in this YouTube channel, you can be earning $1,000. I'm talking about dollars, man. Imagine they give you $1,000. This thing is crazy. This is how we are going to go about it. Look at something. As I earlier said, these videos, actually, they are not made by this guy, this war military guy. This guy is just a collector, as every other YouTube channel that you see, verified YouTube channel. This guy is just, they are just collectors. They just collect these videos from other people's video. They put it in an editing program. They had to trim it, modify it, add their own hashtags there, and post it on their YouTube channel. And you just begin to see the boom, they blow up. And when they blow up, YouTube begin to pay them. So first thing first, without not wasting of your time, what you gotta do, first of all, you have to get for yourself a good tool. You know, you cannot do these things without good tools. Get hardware, a computer like mine. Get video editing softwares. Get lights, get stuff. Invest to have something. invest. There's no business you just wake up in the morning and you just start to make money. No, you have to invest. You have to invest, buy things, buy stuff, go online, you buy stuff. When you buy stuff, right now you have everything in place. You set your studio, because if you want to be a YouTuber, you have to set your studio to be beautiful. You have lights everywhere, things begin to go move smoothly. Now what you just have to do, you just have to create a catalog of videos. Just begin to download videos. There are many video downloaders outside there. I know many people use Vmade and stuff like that. I don't know, but just go there, you download Vmade, you download these videos. Hey guys, most of these videos, they are free. Download them for free. Once you get them for free, you begin to edit them and you upload them on your channel. Once you upload them on your channel, you see, you try maybe the first week, second week, third week. The more you upload, that's the more people come to know you, the more you upload. So I'm going to put a link below that you are going to see, and we are going to go in details, real details, how you can really begin to edit your own videos and make more money. You can't be sitting there, you can't be sitting every day, you're watching videos of people doing crazy things, things that you don't even like, of which you know you can do it better. And let me tell you, the day I discovered that YouTube is paying heavy amount of money, I begin to limit the way I watch videos. Now I increase the way I download videos, that I'm going to edit them. I put my name, I put my stuff on it and publish them. And once I publish them, it's gonna give me I'm going to choose an audience, and once I choose audience, now people will begin to come and say, hey, what, this video is the same video, guys, this thing is real, it's the same video. For example, if you see this video, if you want to check one or two YouTube channels, you're going to see the same video, but the person probably have removed these things there, remove it and modify it in his own way and put it, and people begin to look the same. You are looking at the same video, guys, this thing is real, you are looking at the same video. So in a nutshell, guys, see, listen to me carefully. If you want to get into this YouTube business and let YouTube begin to pay you money every month, what you are supposed to do, get a computer, get stuff, get hardware stuff that you can use, get the programs. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to tell you how you can download some programs. It's free, it's free stuff, you just download them, have them in your machine, in your machine, as we locally call it, or your laptop. When you have it, everything in place, you see the link below, just hit the like button, once you hit the like button, I'm going to know that people are interested to know more about this stuff, this amazing stuff. Many people will not tell you, many YouTubers will not tell you, because they don't want you to come and be flooding the space. So this YouTube is just full of junk, it's full of junk, repeated stuff. So what you are going to do, once you have everything in place, hit, as you are even watching the video, just hit like. The more I will see people that are really willing to know this secret, the more I will see people that are really willing to know how to make this money, then I'm going to open a session. I'm going to upload a new video, powerful video, that once you start, that is all. Once you start, I'm not promising you heaven and earth on the same day, but I tell you, if you are consistent in this race, in this online race, if you are consistent every day, you try to create something new, fresh, something extraordinary. Once you do that, I tell you, my friend, you'll see that you are going to have something amazing result. So hit the like, subscribe to